Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet seed stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the seed stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, you're going to make an even number of chains. You're then going to work one single crochet into the second chain from your hook, then one single crochet into each chain across for your first row. I will then show you how to make the row that I am currently working, and that is going to be the row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. So on the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain. So into the first stitch, we are going to make one single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a single. Into the next, make a double. Next, a single. Then a double. This is how that is looking so far. And you will repeat this for the rest of your row. Once you get to the last stitch, you'll make a single crochet, and that will match the single crochet that we made at the beginning of our row. Like I said, you will repeat this row for however long you want your project. Just a quick edit from me. I did want to let you guys know, as you repeat this row, you will be working single crochets into previous single crochets and double crochets into previous double crochets. I did forget to say that as I was making my row, so I wanted to pop in and let you guys know before I end the video. That is going to be how to make the crochet seed stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.